Hey guys, Jason R. Curry here with the Freedom Group of eXp Realty. I'm here today to help you do a for sale by owner of your personal real estate in the state of Connecticut. I can't speak to other states, but I can tell you what my team does to make your home stand out, and I will bring you step by step through that process to get you the best chance of being successful as a for sale by owner and putting the most money in your pocket. Ultimately, the stats show that most for sale by owners, it's a very high percentage, I believe it was 87 or 90%, end up having to go to a realtor to be able to sell. And then also, if they are successful, the ones that are sell for significantly less than they should. And neither of those things is what you want to do unless you have to. And ultimately, I want to give you the best chance. So follow along on the series, and I will go through this step by step. Real quick, just something that you should think about is if you're going to go this route, offer a buyer's agent percentage. If you don't pay the buyer's agent out of the purchase price, then the buyer has to come up with the extra money. And that creates a situation where they may no longer be able to afford your house for what it deserved to be sold for. Think about that. Ultimately, click on the next video. The next video, we're going to talk about setting up a photographer and also doing your video. Video is huge, guys. Absolutely. That's why you're here. Jason R. Curry with the Freedom Group of eXp Realty.